Hey there, it's Alex from WTI. I've always been drawn to the whimsical feel of when animals portray humans or they wear human outfits. A dog with a mustache, a deer in a three-piece suit. I like to incorporate these elements when I decorate, which is why I was interested in this dinosaur print from FFPCGCL. The canvas is stretched nicely over the wooden frame, and I like that it came with accessories to help you hang your new piece of art, especially the hanger nail. Sometimes you don't have a nail or hook lying around, so this print comes with one. What a great idea. I can't decide where this piece is going to go, so I've been testing it out in different areas of my house. My bathroom is mainly black and white, and I think the red glasses really stand out the best in this room. But I also like how it looks next to my painting of my dapper deer. I'm also thinking of gifting it to my friend who just adopted a little boy. I think it would look super cute in a child's room, especially if they're into dinosaurs. This print of a T-Rex wearing silly red glasses is adorable, and I think would add a level of enjoyment to many different decors, and that's my point of view.